Good morning, guys. So, today it's Monday. So, good morning, guys. Today is Monday, October 28. After ng ilang araw na suspended ng klase, back to school na naman tayo. May reporting kami today. Nag-drama ko kagabi. Nag-review. Ewan ko ba? 4 days walang pasok. Simula Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday kasi may ROTC kami yan. So, may pasok kami. Tapos po. So, 4 days. Tapos gawin lang ako nag-review. Hilig mo gram yung ate girl. Pero effective siya for nila. Kasi, diba naman tayo? So, din ako school. Malakad na ako punta sa room namin. Time check. Hindi ko ma-time check. Basta 9 na. Wow. May nag-ROTC. Pakainit.